and the kid asked me to bring to class a snowball. From the stories that he's heard, it's awfully white. They soon will know no snow as the temperature does grow, and the coldest thing he'll be told is a night. As the neighbors run fast for all their torches to help grow the fire that'll sure burn their place too. They say we are all sure tired and the city's already on fire, so we're not sure what else to do. Well, maybe we'll rise from the ash like a phoenix. Maybe we'll water down our memory like a storm. Don't you dare breathe a word that he's just a mythical bird, and the fire's not just there to keep us warm.